Last year, California took an important step forward in establishing the designation of Black serving institutions.
Establishing the BSI designation was necessary to ensure that Black students have the essential resources and support needed to be successful in their higher education journey.
This year, Assembly Bill 335 follows through on that promise by setting aside $75 million for a grant program that would benefit Black serving institutions.
Please join us at the San Diego Community College District in support of AB 335.
70 years after Brown versus the Board of Education, barriers for Black students remain. Historically, Black students have faced overt discrimination and have been prevented from attending college due to explicit segregation.
Nationally, college and university enrollment of Black students has dropped since 2010. Only about 1 in 3 Black community college students earn a degree, certificate, or transfer within 6 years.
Here in San Diego, City College, Mesa College, and the College of Continuing Education already meet the criteria necessary to be designated as Black serving institutions.
Miramar College plans to seek the designation as a later date based on Black student enrollment efforts.
Many of our Black students are veterans, the first in their families to go to college, parents, foster youths, justice impacted, or recent immigrants.
District students benefit from programs like Umoja, Hermanos Unidos, Brothers United, a Black Student Union, and Aid to Mend.
The support students would receive as part of AB 335 could make the difference between making it to graduation or dropping out.
Please help us uplift each member of our community. Join the San Diego Community College District in supporting AB 335.